Hello everyone, welcome back to our Java tutorial series. In the previous video, we created our first Java program. Now, let's understand how a Java program is compiled and executed. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what happens when you click the run button. What happens when we write Java code? Suppose we write the following program: public class first program, and inside main method we have three print statements. So this file contains source code written by programmers. However, computers cannot directly understand Java source code. So, Java code must first be compiled. So, let's see the process of compilation. The Java compiler called javac converts this source code into the bytecode. So after compilation, this .java file, first program.java for example, so this Java file after compilation generated .class file which contains bytecode. Bytecode is not machine code. It is an intermediate code that can run on any platform having a JVM. Let's understand the execution process. So now the JVM executes the bytecode present in .class file. JVM converts bytecode into the machine code that the operating system understands. Finally, the program executes and produces output. Why Java is platform independent? Java compiles into bytecode. The same bytecode can run on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. As long as a JVM is installed on that platforms. That's why Java follows the principle write once and run anywhere. Vora principle. Let's see how to run a Java program in IntelliJ. So we are in the class file which contains the main method, and here we can see the green run button. If we click on green run button, click on run, then it compiles the code, runs the code and displays the output. So here everything is happening automatically in the background. So this is the source code, and this source code is getting converted into the bytecode, which will be present in .class file after compilation, and JVM will read this bytecode of .class file and convert this bytecode into machine level code, which operating system will understand, and it will produce the output, which we can see in the console. So for better understanding what is happening in the background, let's compile this Java source code and run using command prompt. So let's understand the manual process. So for this we need to open command prompt and move to the folder containing the Java file. So currently we are in the project my first project. If we move cursor to my first project, it will give the location of this project. Here we can see C users, idea projects. Under idea projects, my first project. So we need to open this folder or directory. So inside C drive we have user folder and we have idea projects and our my first project. So we need to navigate until we get the .java file which contains the source code. Here we can see the folder hierarchy inside our project: src, main, java, org, example, first program is the class, first program.java. So this is the Java file. So let's navigate up to first program.java file. Click on my first project. Click on src. Click on main, then Java, then org, then example. So this is the first program.java file, which contains Java source code. Here we need to open command prompt. So move cursor up to here, right side of example, and click So after clicking, it will look like this. Then type on this location cmd. Then hit enter. It will open command prompt with this location. Let's maximize. So we are in the project, and inside project src main java org example. So we need to navigate up to src main java. So let's get back up to two folders. For that, write cd space dot dot, hit enter. Again cd space dot dot, enter. So now we are in the correct folder. Inside project src main java. I hope you reached up to this location. Now we will compile this java.java file. So we will write java c org backslash example backslash first program dot java. Be careful while writing the class name, that is first program. Here F and P should be capital. We are following naming convention of Java class as we created in IntelliJ IDEA. So this is the command to compile the source code which is present in .java file. Then hit enter. So it will create bytecode inside .class file. So we can go and check in the particular folder. So after compilation, here we can see first program .class. So after compilation, .java file, from .java file .class is created, which contains bytecode. Now we will run the program. For this we need to write command java org dot example dot first program. We are writing org dot example dot first program because our first program .java file is under org.example folder. We can cross-check with IntelliJ. Here we can see first program is inside org.example. That's why we are writing like this. So if we are running this command, means bytecode will get converted into machine level code by JVM, and machine code will be understood by the operating system and will get the output. Hit enter. So here we can see the output. Hello world, welcome to Java tutorial. This is my first Java program. So this is the expected output based on our source code, which is present in the .java file. So the complete flow is Java source code, which is present in .java file. After Java compilation, it will create .class file which contains bytecode, and then when we run application, JVM will convert bytecode into machine code and will get the output. This is the complete life cycle of a Java program. So let's quickly summarize what we have discussed so far. Java source code is stored in .java files. The javac compiler converts source code into bytecode. Bytecode is stored in .class files. The JVM executes bytecode. Java achieves platform independence through bytecode and JVM. IntelliJ automatically compiles and runs the programs. That's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the complete life cycle of a Java program. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.